On your browser, go to support.salvador-tech.com and log into the web management platform to register. On the Register Company tab, fill in the details of your company and site admin. Enter the CRU serial number, you can find it at the bottom of the unit. Move to the Login tab, and enter the email and password you previously used. The dashboard will later present all backup status per endpoint. You are appointed with a site number, please keep it in mind. Finally, go to Downloads tab to download the agent software. To run the agent software, go to the downloaded exe file on your computer and start setup. Choose the preferred language, tick the agreement box, and follow the installation process instructions. Once finished, start the Salvador Technologies recovery software. Click Backup to configure your settings, and choose the disk you wish to backup. On the CRU, press the Recovery and Configure buttons simultaneously, and hold for 5 seconds. Default is set for daily backup. If you wish to reconfigure it, press the Configure button and hold it for 3 seconds. Set the frequency and time of backup and click Next. The configuration process is now completed. In order to connect your CRU to the web management, enter the site number you received. Agree to terms and conditions to complete the backup configuration process and click the button to start your backup.